Maximizing health. Top 5 Chia Seed Smoothies to try today. In a world where health is a priority and convenience is king, Chia Seed Smoothies offer the best of both worlds. These tiny yet mighty seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition, and when blended into a smoothie, they become an effortless way to kickstart your day, refuel after a workout, or simply nourish your body. Here are the top 5 Chia Seed Smoothies that are as delicious as they are beneficial. 1. The classic berry chia smoothie. Ingredients: 1 cup mixed berries, fresh or frozen, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 cup almond milk, unsweetened, 1 banana, optional for added sweetness, a drizzle of honey, or a vegan alternative like agave syrup. Blend your choice of mixed berries with silky almond milk and chia seeds to create a smoothie that's bursting with antioxidants and fiber. Sweeten it with a banana or a touch of honey to taste. This smoothie isn't just a treat for your taste buds, it's also a visual treat. 2. The green chia machine. Ingredients: 1 cup spinach or kale, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 ripe banana, 1 foof apple, 1 cup coconut water or filtered water, a squeeze of fresh lemon or lime juice. Packing a punch with leafy greens, this smoothie is a nutrient-dense powerhouse. The addition of chia seeds adds a dose of omega-3s, while coconut water keeps you hydrated. 3. The tropical chia sunrise. Ingredients: 1 cup mango chunks, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1/2 cup pineapple chunks, 1 foof banana, 1 cup coconut milk, a squeeze of fresh lime juice, optional, a pinch of ground turmeric for extra anti-inflammatory benefits. This smoothie will transport you to a tropical paradise with every sip. The mango, pineapple, and coconut milk provide a rich source of vitamins and a creamy texture, while the chia seeds add a crunch and an omega-3 boost. Turmeric, with its numerous health benefits, can be a golden addition for those looking for an extra health kick. 4. The Protein Power Chia Smoothie. Ingredients: 1 scoop of your favorite protein powder, vanilla or plain works best, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 banana, 1 TBSP almond butter, 1 cup unsweetened almond milk or soy milk, a dash of cinnamon, optional. For those looking to build muscle or stay full longer, this smoothie combines protein powder and chia seeds to create a satisfying post-workout meal or a meal replacement. The almond butter adds a creaminess and richness that will make this smoothie a staple in your recipe book. 5. The Antioxidant Chia Bliss. Ingredients: 1 cup blueberries, fresh or frozen, 1 TBSP chia seeds, 1 of beet, cooked and peeled, 1/2 cup pomegranate juice, 1 cup water or almond milk, a few mint leaves for an extra refreshing taste. This vibrant smoothie is as gorgeous as it is tasty. Blueberries and pomegranate juice combine with chia seeds to offer an antioxidant-rich blend that supports heart health and brain function. The cooked beet not only adds sweetness, but also contributes to the smoothie's bright, appealing color. Incorporating chia seeds into your smoothie routine is a game changer for anyone looking to boost their health. Packed with fiber, protein, omega-3 fatty acids, and various micronutrients, chia seeds bring texture and nutrition without altering the delicious flavors of your favorite fruits and greens. Whether you're new to the world of smoothies or a seasoned veteran, incorporating chia seeds can add a nutritional boost to any blend. Try one or try them all and take the first step towards a healthier lifestyle today. Don't just take our word for it, let your taste buds be the judge. As you sip on these chia seed masterpieces, remember that you're not only treating yourself to a delightful beverage, but you're also doing something great for your body. Cheers to health, convenience, and the magic of chia seeds. Bonus tip: smoothie prep made easy. Maximize your time by prepping smoothie ingredients ahead of time. Portion out the fruits, veggies, and chia seeds into freezer-safe bags or containers. When you're ready for a smoothie, just pop the ingredients from one container into the blender, add your liquid of choice, and blend. This little hack is especially helpful for busy mornings or for those who are always on the go. As you embark on this journey of health and flavor, remember to share your experiences with these smoothies. Happy blending!